This is Free Talk Business 2, Lesson 6 Review. Transform your life through daily practice. Have you read Atomic Habits, Sarah? Yes, I finished it last month. It really changed how I think about improvements. Me too. I used to set big goals all at once, but now I see how small daily changes make a big difference. Exactly. I also learned that relying only on willpower can be counterproductive. Right, you should make good habits obvious, easy to start, and even satisfying. That part really helped me. I started putting my running shoes next to my bed, so I see them first thing in the morning. I've been trying to build a reading habit. My target is just 10 pages a day, and I let myself enjoy a small reward, like a nice coffee, after I finish. That's perfect. Habits feel easier when they come with a little pleasure. Yes, the book makes it so clear. Change your environment, not just your mindset. Indeed, it's not about being perfect, just being consistent leads to real progress. Okay, thank you.